Seasons, number 9, written by Dan Wogemuth, read by Mike Duncan. Exit, stage left. In fits and starts, spring either whispers or screams goodbye. And as it does, it discloses some of the secrets that winter had hidden and spring had cloaked. Most specifically, I experience this as I evaluate the growth in the deciduous trees around our house. Branches that had hidden their lifelessness in the collection of lifeless branches are now exposed for what they are. Quite simply, some branches that were alive last summer are no longer living now. It took spring to expose the charade. Consequently, with my trusty clippers in hand, I clear the dead branches. It took spring and the welcome mat of summer to reveal the imposters. But then there is a second assignment that late spring and early summer invite: pruning. Pruning is not the removal of dead branches, it's the management of living branches. Why, just this morning I spent time outside managing the growth that is either misplaced or unproductive. I filled a trash can not with dead branches, but with vibrant green branches. There's nothing punitive about pruning. Instead, it's a matter of priorities and a sense of vision. A vision for what can be, and the courage and the tool set to cut what would compete with that vision. As I used my clippers to execute my vision, I thought about the application to my own life. At times, a collection of unanticipated branches can crowd out what is most important. Intentional management of my priorities has to take precedent over what so easily creeps into my calendar or onto my phone. Whether it's diet, exercise, time, relationships, or work, I can easily undervalue what needs my most significant attention. Any one of us with a cell phone knows how easy this can be. A short technology task can explode into a chase down a rabbit hole, and the time disappears without a conscious decision to reprioritize. Now that spring has surrendered to summer, it's time to prune. Before, yes, I have to say no. Before I can experience the growth I want, I have to eliminate the growth that can overwhelm my priorities. What priorities need uncrowded attention? Family, neighbors, friends, career, charity. If you're like me, it's time to sharpen the trimmer. Not just to eliminate what didn't survive the winter, but also to remove what is robbing me of the energy and the strength needed to flourish in the areas of my highest priorities. Before yes comes no. Before growth in key areas of priority, management of the areas so that they don't easily hijack my agenda. Summer reveals what winter has hidden, and now with full visibility, it's time to act wisely, courageously, and boldly.